In this video, we'll be exploring the importance of a research report. Why do we really write a research report? Now, one of the objectives with which a research report is written is to transfer knowledge. That is, the researcher wants to share the research problem he or she has taken up, studied, explored. What are the processes he or she has employed during the course of that study? And what are the findings and solutions that he or she came up with? And the objective is to share it with other people, that is to enrich the existing body of knowledge. And this is precisely why writing a research report is important, because the report becomes a tool for the researcher to transfer or to transmit knowledge to others. It facilitates the dissemination of knowledge to others. A report is a written document which conveys some information to the reader. And a research report is no different. It presents information relating to the research problem or topic of research taken up by the researcher. It is a precise, accurate, and concise description of whatever has played out during the course of the study or while exploring that particular problem. So a report is also a tool for presentation of information relating to research work carried out, and that is also one reason why it is important. Once a research report is created, once it is written, it is a permanent record. It eliminates the need for a researcher to keep repeating and telling different people about his study. Once it is created, it is always available for other people to refer to and for the researcher to share it. It also facilitates a researcher to share his knowledge in the form of research articles. A series of research articles can be created on various aspects of the research without him having to repeat the study. A significant point relating to the importance of a research report is that the report helps to identify knowledge gaps. Obviously, every study will not be able to take care of all aspects of research or of a particular problem area, and the research report as it is presented will mention the limitations. It will also mention further scope for research, and as such, in this way, it facilitates further research or inquiry by identifying knowledge gaps. So that was all with regard to the importance of a research report. Please do feel free to leave your comments and feedback on this video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to this channel if you like the educational content on this channel, and please share it with other students who you feel might benefit. And in the next video, I will be talking about the structure of a research report. Thank you for listening. This is Dr. Mariam Narona.